Hello and welcome to this video on this VW Tiguan 2009 model year. Doing the door lock latch on this driver's side door. Haven't actually seen any videos on YouTube about this. There might be one, haven't really searched very well either, just gave up on that. However, just to show you how to get this all off. So obviously when you start off with it, you go get your door panel off. This car has also got water ingress damage in it from the lovely panoramic roof, but we won't talk about that now. It's running right now because I'm checking the heating on it. So get all the door panel off first, and then you don't want to get the skin off for the door here. So you've got a few screws. There's a E-Torx bit to get your window off, which is an E5. So you get your E5, and then you get your window regulator out. So the E5 is in there. Get those off, get your glass out, and then you've got these T30 screws here that look like this, all the way around the door skin, which go in all around. Take those all off obviously, and then you'll have to wiggle it out so your whole regulator comes off together. I left it all attached here. You can undo it from inside, but it's just a bit of a pain again. So just slowly take your time, work it all off, and then from there you can get to the door latch. You have got these pins in here as well. You have to push those through. Those sit on this corner here. They're a bit of a pain to get back in, but you can get them back in. And obviously if you have your car running or key in the ignition, your airbag light will go off. So don't do that unless you have a code reader to reset it in the end. There's an airbag sensor here. You don't have to take it off, but I did on this case. Anyhow, so moving forward, once you've got that all to this stage here, and it's in this position here, I've already put the new one in. That's the old one on the ground. What was happening is the latch worn out, so it wasn't opening the door properly and it wasn't locking with the key, so the motor's worn out on it basically. You want to get this barrel out first. To do that, there's a screw in there. You get that screw out. It's a T20, I'm gonna say. What have we got here? Yeah, a T20. 15 works as well, obviously, but the T20 is the right one. And then it will wiggle out, and that goes in that pin there, as you can see. Otherwise, you will not be able to slide that latch out. There is obviously a bit of a cage across here to get this off, and it does slide out of the way. And it can come off completely, but again, I don't have to take it off because just time wise. So this goes in through here, and then you've got your two screws, which are the spline tools here, which is an multi-spline 6mm, so 6 on that one. I've got my nice drying bits at there. M6 is what you need in there. Obviously, then that will come off. And then you've got these cables you don't want to swap over. You've got two of them, one for the outside door handle, one for the inner one. And they just clip in, one on there, and then one on here on the other side of it. And then that should be that there. So that's how to get to it and to replace it. It's a bit of a fiddle, but it's not a crazy job to do. It is quite easily done, and then yep, and then just rebuild it back together. So just to go over where or what to do to get it out of the way. Any other points that you would like to know, just give me a comment below and I can give you a hand or give you a comment back, hopefully, if I've come across anything else on this. Any other further questions, obviously just give me a comment down below. Please do like and subscribe. Please subscribe, it does help me out. Thank you for watching this video. Do definitely like and subscribe.